What is up, world? Man, welcome back to Just Another Stony Day. I am Lee, and you already see it, yo. We went and copped us one of these herb Delta 8 THC card show. What did we get? Some of that strawberry shortcake. So we're going to load this up, get out on the lake. Yes, sir. Any point you do like this video, make sure you smash that like button, peeps. If you're new to Just Another Stony Day, welcome, yo. I hope you stick around by smashing that subscribe button. If you really like it, share it on your favorite social media platform so other people can see it, yo, and come around and hang out with us. Other than that, get down in that comment section. Let me know what you think, of this video. Let's go and get it popping, y'all. Yes, sir. Let's go. See you out on the lake, y'all. Yes, sir. All right, what is up, world? Man, welcome back. We are on the lake. I hope y'all having a good one out there. Just cruising out from the dock right now. So we're out here. I want to head off over that way to see what's over there, because I saw on Google Maps that there was some coves over there, y'all. So I want to go check it out. Look like some people's on the lake over there. Y'all can see. Let's zoom in. So yeah, we out here. It's a little choppy, but it's nice. Yes, sir. Let's go, baby. I'm gonna get out that way, and we're gonna hit the vape pen, y'all. Much love. Yes, sir. Let's ride, baby. If I can get in through there, y'all. Looks like there's a bunch of logs and shit. I mean, I can try. I'm gonna try it, yo. Hopefully we don't get stuck. I'm gonna try to go right down the middle. Right down the middle, yo. Go real slow. There's a bunch of shit over here, y'all see. Try to stay right down the middle. Go towards that bridge right there. going to talk about something right quick. Jet ski etiquette. You know, boating season's coming up. A lot of people are going to be out on the water. Jet ski devs are, you know, up there with the boating devs, and there's been a lot of jet ski collisions and stuff like that, okay? So let's talk about it. Sorry about the wind. But, you know, when you're on a jet ski, yo, you got to have respect for everybody around you. Because, number one, you're going fast. You're on the water. Okay, you can't be splashing people. People out there trying to fish. Got to be respectable. Got to be respectable towards people out here fishing. Okay, got kids and families and stuff like that, you know. So, yeah, let's have a little respect out there this year. You're on the water. You heard? Let's have a little respect on the water this year. Don't be speeding past people. Don't be going up close to people on the water and everything like that, man. You know, that's dangerous. It's hard to turn these things at the drop of a hat, yo. Okay? Let's get on out here on the water, man. Just wanted to say that. Let's go.
Audio Jungle.